Last time on Sailing Makani.
Ooh, shiny. Yeah. Nice.
After our new sailing instruments arrived in the mail, it was time to start the installation. First, I had to remove the old displays. My plan is to remove the box on the left side and to move all the instruments over to the right. The next step was to check and mark the cables. A very useful trick to remember which cable goes where. Once I took the old boxes out, I needed to sand the teak to even out the surface. I continued to rewire the cockpit switchboard. I want to keep this system because we used it all the time in the past. The next step was to reinstall the GPS antenna. All that was left to do was to get the cable for the display from the inside of the boat to the outside.
Das Kabel fährt.
Wirklich?
Ja. Also für das Display raus.
You seem happy.
Once the cable was routed from the inside to the box in the cockpit, it was time to install the NMEA 2000 databus.
Geht's nicht durch? Ach, da muss ich aufbauen. Oder muss ich ein Loch bauen? Dann mache ich mal die Kabel kaputt.
Ach so.
Da jetzt, also da habe ich großes Risiko, dass ich die Kabel beschädige.
I tried a few options to decide how to lay out the data bus backbone.
Das wird der Bus für die neuen Instrumente. Der kommt da hin. Und das da. Muss man anschauen, wie das genau für Carroad ist. Soll dann da rein connecten. Vielleicht gehen wir noch anders hin. I think I like this better.
Okay.
And that's the display cable coming down from the cockpit. And that's really all the wiring you need for the display. Now I have to make it neat, tidy it up. Cable ties.
For the Transducer cable I had to drill a few holes. The through hull installation itself is a job for another day. For now I connected the cable to the backbone and left the Transducer in the bilge where it will be installed when MAKANI is hauled out. I later decided to change the layout of the data bus installation. Now it looks like this. Before I could install the displays in the cockpit, I bought some plywood to build a new frame for the setup. To match the plywood to the rest of the box, I stained the wood and later put some varnish on the surface. I'm very pleased with the result. You can hardly see the difference.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and join us next time when we climb up the mast to install the new wind instrument. See you!